Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, today we are going to learn about one video sensing game. The project name, we can say this is our sample big screen project. Here we are going to use the video sensing. Okay, means here we will use the actual video. So what I will do first, I will run this project, I will show you what you will get here, and then we will start. Okay, so we need to just click on this flag and we have to just weave our hand, means we have to give some motion here. See, so this is like a timer. 3 2 1. See, once you will give the motion, so what we will find out the output. So as you can see here, we have a Gobo, Gobo 1, Gobo 2, Gobo 3, Gobo 4, Gobo 5. Okay. So this is our Gobo board as you can see. For this Gobo board, what we have, okay, like how much timer Gobo will take to move from here to here, like from here to here. Okay. So according to that, we will get the result. So total we have a 5 Gobo. So now I will explain you how many backdrop we will require here and how many sprite. Okay. So first thing, we need to just go to the backdrop. First backdrop, this is your plane. After that, we will require one green backdrop. This is our blue sky. So this is just a color. According to your choice, you can add any color. Okay. After that, we will see the sprite. So for sprite, we want to add which is our Gobo 1. So this is our Gobo 1. How you will add your sprite? You need to just go to choose a sprite. If you will search Gobo, you will get this Gobo. You need to just click here. Automatically your sprite will add here. So how many sprite we want? We want 5 Gobo. Like this is your Gobo 1, Gobo 2, Gobo 3, Gobo 4, Gobo 5. And from here we can change the color also. Like for example, for Gobo 1 we have a pink color. If you will add your Gobo 2, from here you can select your yellow color. For Gobo 3, you can select the green color. Okay. So we require 5 Gobo here. So you have to choose a sprite 5 time Gobo. After that, what we want to add the next part, which is our start. So here we need to add the words like 3, 2, 1, start, then start. Okay. So how you will add this? You need to just click on, instead of choosing choose a sprite, we just click on paint option. Okay. Suppose here you want to add a 3. What you can do, you need to just take this text. You have to just simple write 3 over here. If you want to paint that, you can just take this paint. You can paint like this 3. And after that, how we will get a 2? You need to just choose a costume. Instead of writing this 3, even you can just search for 2. See, we have this 2. You have to just click. So you will get 2 also. So like that, again, we will just choose a costume. Now just search for 3. You will get 3. See, 3, 2, 1, everything you can add here. So in this way, we need to add our countdown. So the name of the sprite is the countdown. We have to start from 3, 2, 1, start and start. After that, we need to add this line. Okay, so this line, you can just create this line, like take this rectangle and just draw like this. And here we have to add a costume also. Like suppose this is our first line, second, third, and fourth. So this is our costume. Okay. After that, this is our finish line, which is this blue one. So instead of this, even you can add any other finish line also. Like you can do the different design also. And then we have our cover, which is Gobo Run. Okay, like Gobo run, Gobo race, go Gobo, Gobo go. So you can add a different words also. So this is our design part, like how you will add your backdrop and how you will add your sprite. Okay. Now let's start our coding area. So we need to just click here on a code option. Now we will start a coding for Gobo one, because for every Gobo we have to add a same coding. Okay, so once we will write in one Gobo, we can just drag and drop to our other Gobo also. So first thing, we have to add our video sensing. So how you will add the video sensing? We need to just click on this add extension button. Once you will click on that, you will get this video sensing. So you have to just click here. Automatically, you will get your video sensing part here. Okay. After that, we will require the next part. So for Gobo one, what we want? Which logic we will use in the Gobo? Like see, Gobo after this countdown, see, according to your motion. Okay, so like see, yellow Gobo, purple, green, blue, pink. Okay, so what we want logic for the Gobo, when flag is clicked, Gobo has to be moved from here to here. Miss in the y direction, bottom to top, right? So what we will do when flag is clicked, so where we will get this in the event, we you will get this when flag is clicked. So here we have to just go to x. So what x position we want here? For pink oboe, we want this position, right? So in the x, as you can see this position, it is little bit, we can say around 180, right? So you need to just go to the motion, what you will add, go to x. In the x, we will take this position. In the y position will start your start line. Bec- because this is our start line, right? So we need to just go to the sensing. What we have to add here, this backdrop stage here. And what we have to add, instead of stage, we will select start line. And here we have to select Y position. First, you need to select this. Otherwise, you will not get your positions here. Okay. So first we have to select our start line, then your Y position. You will get inside the sensing this backdrop and stage. And then we have to switch a costume, because first we want pink gobo, right? So we need to just go to the looks. What we will do, we will add this costume, which is a, instead of purple we can add a pink gobo. So this is our first part, like a when flag is clicked. So initially we want our gobo to 180, okay, and then it will start from start line to your Y position. After that, the second one, what we are going to add here, when we will receive the start game. So we have to repeat until you will touch to this finish line. Okay. So we need to just go to the event. What we are going to add here, once you will receive the start game. So we have to go to the control. We will take repeat until. So this one is your repeat until. If this will touch to your finish line, again we need to just go to the sensing. Here we will take this first one touching. Instead of mouse pointer, we are going to select finish line. When it will touch to your finish line, so what we are going to do, we have to apply the if. In the control, we have this if part, right? So if, in the if, we are going to use our motion, because our gobo is following the motion. Okay, so how we will add this motion? So first we will add our or operator. So where we have a or, this one. Okay, so we are going to add this or here. What position, what logic we are going to apply here, if that is greater than 10, so we need to just add this here. So here we will take our video motion. So where we have a video motion, this. If your video motion on the sprite is greater than 10, or it will touch to your mouse pointer. Okay. So where we will get that? Touching to your mouse pointer inside the video sensing. So we have to change our y because we have to move to the y direction, right? So we have to just take change y. You have to just go to the motion, and here we need to add change y by 4. This logic we are going to apply. After that, we have to create a Gobo board, this Gobo board. So this is your list. Okay. So we need to just go to the variable here. Instead of make a variable, we will add make a list. You have to write down the name Gobo board. So you will get Gobo board here. After that, we have to add this here. What we are going to add, instead of thing, we will add pink gobo, which is this one, pink gobo, blue gobo, like that. So what we are going to join in the operator, you will get your join here. Instead of apple and banana, what we are going to write, pink gobo. And then instead of banana, we are going to apply the timer. So again, you have to just go to the sensing, little bit scroll down, you will get timer. Okay. And after that, we can start any sound here. So whatever sound you want to add, you can add any sound here after this. So for that, we have to just go to the start sound, and we will add any sound, whatever you want. And then it will say something which is your second. Okay. So what it is going to say, we need to just go to the looks. We will take say hello here, and it is, we need to just go to the operator. You have to join this. Instead of apple, we will add a timer, means how many time it will take from start position to your finish line. Okay. So add this timer here, and is here we can add the second. Okay. So this is our logic for Gobo. Like any Gobo, we can say pink Gobo or yellow, green, blue, purple, like that. And then it will say yay for 2 seconds, and you have to show the list. So again, you need to go to the variable. You will show this list, this one. So this is our Gobo one. Okay. And next part we will continue in the next video. Okay. So please watch this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and next video link I will give you in the description box. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.